If you're looking to add voiceovers in Descript quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to use Descript's simple but powerful voiceover tools so you can get started right away, even if you're a total beginner. First things first, let's make sure you have Descript set up on your computer. You can get started with Descript for free by clicking the link in the description below, where you'll also find some exclusive bonuses. Now, Descript is an all-in-one audio and video editing tool, perfect for content creators who want to add, edit, and fine-tune their voiceovers with ease. Whether you're working on podcasts, videos, or audiobooks, Descript's voiceover features are here to save you time and effort. To start adding voiceovers, simply open Descript and create a new project. From there, you can upload your audio or video file that you want to work with. Descript automatically generates a transcript for your media, which is the first step in adding voiceovers. If you don't already have the transcript, simply click on Transcribe and let the software do its magic. Once your file is transcribed, click on the Overdub option. This is Descript's voice cloning feature, which allows you to generate voiceovers using your own voice or a voice model from their library. It's super simple. Just select the part of the transcript where you want to add your voiceover and click to start typing what you want it to say. The software will read it back using the voice you've chosen. If you're looking for something more personalized or want to record your own voiceover, Descript offers a built-in recording tool. To use this, simply click on the record button in the interface. This will let you directly record your voice, and it will be added into the timeline immediately, synced with your video or audio. After recording, you can easily trim, cut, and adjust the voiceover to fit your content. Another powerful feature you'll want to explore is the multi-track editing. This lets you add voiceovers across multiple tracks, perfect for when you're working on more complex projects like interviews or narrative storytelling. Each voiceover can be adjusted in terms of volume, timing, and position, ensuring that it integrates smoothly into your overall project. One thing I love about Descript is its simplicity. Everything is drag and drop and intuitive. You don't need to be a professional editor to create polished, professional-sounding voiceovers. Plus, Descript's AI-powered tools make it easy to clean up any mistakes, so your voiceovers always sound great. Now, let's talk about editing. After your voiceover is recorded or generated, you can start editing the audio directly from the transcript. You can delete words, add pauses, and make corrections simply by editing the text. Descript automatically updates your audio or video accordingly, making this process incredibly fast. If you want to go even further with your voiceovers, you can experiment with the software's effects, like pitch adjustments or speed modifications. These are really handy if you're looking to match a specific tone or pacing in your project. Before wrapping up, don't forget that Descript is offering an exclusive extended free trial for those of you watching this video. You can access this trial through the link in the description below. So, if you're looking to add voiceovers in Descript easily, test out all of its features without any commitment. In summary, Descript is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to add voiceovers, and it's incredibly beginner-friendly. Whether you're generating voiceovers with Overdub, recording your own, or mixing multiple tracks together, this software streamlines the process so you can focus on creating high-quality content quickly. Remember to use the link below to get access to a free trial of Descript with some special bonuses. That's it for this quick guide on how to add voiceovers in Descript. Thanks for watching.